Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. Now this will actually get us toggles, and here you will find somewhere the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is visible right over here. You can hold it first time around, and this will expand the list and give you either the option to turn it on for a specific amount of time. By default, if you tap on a toggle, it will turn it on until you basically turn it off yourself, but you can select it here as well. And additionally, we can go into details, which will take us to the settings where you can customize how this mode will function. And it also gives us the option to change the timer right here. So every time you manually tap on it, it will abide by one of those selected options. So whenever you want to enable it, just tap on a toggle. It looks like it pops up this on its own as well. And select turn on, and you can see it is now enabled. Once you're done using it, you can turn it off as well by just simply tapping on the toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.